the power of pause. A breath-led arrival for beginning slow art. Take a moment to settle into your space. Let your body find a position that feels supportive. Whether you're sitting at a table, leaning back in a chair, or resting comfortably with cushions behind you. There is no right way to be here. There is only your way. Allow your hands to rest softly in your lap or on the table. Let your gaze soften or close your eyes if that feels safe. Take a slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Begin by placing one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Feel the warmth of your own touch. Feel the quiet reassurance of your own presence. Notice the natural rise and fall beneath your hands. You don't need to deepen your breath or improve it. You're simply meeting yourself where you are right now. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw loosen. Let your belly be soft enough to move. With each exhale, imagine a little more of the day sliding off your body. The roles, the responsibilities, the expectations you've carried for years. You don't have to hold anything together right now. This moment is yours. As you breathe, notice the rhythm that is uniquely yours. Not the rhythm you've had to keep for others. Not the pace the world has demanded. But the quiet, steady tempo of your own life force. You've lived through seasons of rushing, caring, organising and tending. You've moved quickly because life has asked you to. But here, in this space, you get to move at the speed of your breath. Let yourself feel what it's like to slow down without apology. To pause without guilt. To rest without needing to earn it. Bring your awareness to the materials in front of you. You might not be touching them yet, but you can sense their presence. The paper waiting patiently, the soft pastels or charcoal ready to respond to even the gentlest movement. Imagine the page as a quiet field, wide, open, unhurried, a place where nothing is expected of you. Let your breath continue to guide you. Inhale, exhale, soft, steady, human. Before your hands touch the page, take a moment to imagine the movement. On your next exhale, picture a single mark appearing. A line shaped not by effort, but by release. Maybe it's long or short, bold or faint, curved or trembling. There's no wrong way for your breath to move. On your inhale, imagine your body expanding slightly, your ribs widening, your chest lifting. Feel how the expansion might influence the next mark. A softening, a widening, a shift in direction. Let yourself sense the possibility of slow layering. Marks gently meeting each other. Colours blending like mist. Movement unfolding without urgency. You're not performing. You're not producing. You're simply allowing. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the steadiness of your inhale. Feel the release of your exhale. Notice any part of your body that feels softer now. Your shoulders, your hands, your belly, your throat. Notice any part that feels tight or guarded. You don't need to change that right now. Just acknowledge it with kindness. You've lived a long life in this body. It has carried you through joy, loss, responsibility, reinvention. It has shown up for you again and again. Let this moment be your way of showing up for yourself. When you're ready, gently open your eyes or lift your gaze. Look at the materials with the same softness you've brought to your breath. There is no rush to begin. There is no pressure to create anything beautiful or meaningful. You're simply letting your breath touch the page. Let your first mark be an exhale. Let your next mark be an inhale. Let the rest unfold in its own time. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to move slowly. You are allowed to create without expectation. Your breath leads. Your body follows. And the page receives whatever arrives. Namaste.